It's time to weld.
Hi everyone, I'm Nico here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's Gamechanger Undies. And not that kind, this kind. We've taken the extremely heat-resistant Kagan fabric from the original Game Changers and applied it to the hand as well as the cuff. Now allow me to demonstrate. Kagan fabric goes on first, mid-glove goes on top.
Easy.
And each pack contains 3 gloves, 1 Gamechanger undie and 2 regular mid gloves. As you can see, each glove is left-handed, so when you burn through one, you always have your backup. And the Gamechanger undie is easily reversible from left to right. Now I'll run a couple passes and show you guys really how heat resistant these are.
Feel anything? Heat resistant. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll get back to you ASAP.